ChyMall is a Chinese-Malaysian multi-billion e-commerce company that is leveraging in the new retail concept where the manufacturer, wholesalers and retailers are all profit makers. ChyMall is like other traditional e-commerce and is first of its kind in the world to allow consumers to become shop owners through buying and selling in their mall. The country representative, Ken Wuche, says ChyMall is into the business of changing, coloring and beautifying the life of all by making profits every 10 days.
In ChyMall, you get paid for buying anything. Any items you want here, you buy, you get paid. Perhaps they've made multi-millionaires within a year. So it has helped and it's helping. Anyone doing ChyMall can't complain of, lack of money and all that. So company pays you every 10 days. It's a daily business. You get paid every day.
Nigerian director Abigail Peter says, when registered, the person stands a chance of having free shipping without any cost or fee, pointing out that registration comes in packages and in different categories of VIPs.
It's a company based in Malaysia, which is registered with all the government agencies. We have the CAC certificate. It's a business that nobody should be afraid of it. I would advise all Nigerians to come on board. Just put your money and the money is working for you. And whenever you need your money back, the company is willing to give you back.
Some beneficiaries share their testimonies of how it all started, advising others to join the business without thinking otherwise.
CHY color my life too.
Well, with CHY, my life had totally changed.
Until today, money is flowing every day. In fact, money is no longer the problem. It's how to even spend the money.
ChyMall is a unique company located in Asokoro, Abuja, also has its presence in over 80 countries of the world. Rosemary Molteleng, NTA News.